You're standing in ankle-deep water. Warm. Clear. Reef beneath your feet. You take one step. 13 needles drive into your skin simultaneously. The pain is immediate, total, and unlike anything recorded in medical literature. Victims have begged doctors to amputate their limbs. Some have died before reaching shore. You never saw what hit you. Because the animal that just ended your afternoon, possibly your life, looked exactly like the rock you were trying to avoid. This is the stonefish. Synencia varicosa. The most venomous fish on the planet. The stonefish doesn't survive through speed or aggression. It survives through disappearance. Its entire body, mottled brown, gray, rust, and green, mimics reef rock with biological precision. Algae and bacterial colonies actually grow on its skin. This isn't a pattern. This is active concealment at a cellular level. Step on the fish, even lightly, and the spines compress instantly. Venom travels up the spine and into your tissue in under 1 second. The fish, meanwhile, hasn't moved. It's still sitting on the sand. Still looking like a rock. Waiting for the next accident. Picture this. You're snorkeling in Queensland, Australia. Water temperature is 28 degrees. Perfect conditions. You spot what looks like a barnacle-covered rock near a coral head. You reach down to steady yourself. In that instant, 3 spines penetrate the palm of your hand. The venom load delivered is approximately 1 mg per kilogram of body pressure applied. For context, a single stonefish contains enough venom across all 13 spines to kill an adult multiple times over. The first sensation is burning, described not as stinging but as fire moving through the bone. Within 5 minutes, the affected limb swells dramatically. The skin around the puncture site begins to die. Your blood pressure drops. Nausea and sweating start before you've even made it back to the boat. Here's where it becomes darker. Stonefish can survive out of water for up to 24 hours. Their spines remain fully venomous and functional the entire time. Fishermen in the Indo-Pacific have been envenomated handling what they believed were dead fish pulled from nets hours earlier. The fish was lying still. Spines still loaded. Still lethal. There is an antivenom, developed in Australia in 1959, and it works. But only if you receive it quickly. The challenge is that stonefish inhabit the same shallow reef flats and tidal zones that millions of barefoot tourists, local fishermen, and children wade through daily across the Indo-Pacific. And here is the detail most people never hear. The stonefish doesn't just camouflage against natural reef. It adapts to human-altered environments. Harbors. Boat ramps. Shallow canals. Anywhere sediment settles and structure exists, stonefish colonize. Urbanization of coastlines hasn't pushed them out. It's given them more places to hide. The ecosystem we've modified for our own convenience has expanded the ambush zone. We built the trap. The stonefish moved in. And it's still invisible. The stonefish forces a specific kind of honesty. We enter the ocean believing size equals advantage. We are apex thinkers on this planet. We've mapped the seafloor, sequenced the genome of thousands of species, and landed machines on other planets. And we still step on this fish. Because no amount of knowledge removes the moment of inattention. The stonefish doesn't exploit our weakness. It exploits our presence. Our curiosity. Our need to move through its environment. Every envenomation in recorded history was not an attack. It was a collision between a hidden animal and an unaware human. That realization sits differently than fear. The ocean has boundaries we haven't agreed to. If this changed how you see the ocean floor, hit like, it helps more people find this series. Drop in the comments, which species do you want us to put against humans next? And subscribe, because every week, we find the animal that makes you rethink everything you thought you knew about survival.